Yeah, good day one more time. Welcome to my channel, Ecom or Premium, where we discuss how you can make money online through legitimate means. Um, Today I want to discuss on Hamster Kombat, one of the most popular, if not the most popular, mining bot on Telegram. As we all know, we have been on this for a while, and we are getting to the end of this program to harvesting our coins. So what are the steps that is required that you need to put in place now so that to make sure you withdraw your coins successfully? Number one step you need to take, if you look at this interface, you will see airdrops. You click on the airdrops. Verify to make sure that you are connected these airdrops to your Tongue wallet. You can see say connect your Tongue wallet. And not only connecting it, if you have connected it maybe a month ago, come back here to make sure it is being ticked white, as you can see here, that you are connected. Click on it to make sure that your address is showing. As you can see here, my own address is showing. Okay, that you are connected. That is, if you are using Telegram or if you are using any of the Tongue wallets. Let me show you a Tongue keeper. This is, for example, a Tongue keeper. And make sure that from this Tongue keeper, you have gas fee. There is this question that is just going all over the place, whether there will be need for gas fee or there will not be need for gas fee. I want to say categorically that there will be a need for gas fee. You may not need it to transfer from the Telegram bot to your wallet, but you will need it to move your coins from your wallet to the exchange. Because the Hamster Kombat will be listed in top exchanges and you cannot sell it here. So where you can sell it and convert it to your local currency is on the exchanges. So and the speed with which you will be able to transfer it from your wallet will depends whether you have a gas fee. If there's no gas fee before you be looking for it, it may take a while. So that's why you must get ready, you must get prepared. So you have to, like you can see there, 0.66. I have over $1 a moment ago. I just used it for one of the boats. I just use it for one of the boats. That's why you see now it's not 0.66. So do where to get gas fee ready in your Tongue wallet, whether Telegram or any other Tongue wallet, so as to make sure you have a seamless movement or transfer of your coins when it is listed. And we are believing for listing any moment from now. So thank you very much. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do where to subscribe because I will be coming with updates like this information also with respect to other airdrops, and hit the notification button so that you can be alerted each time I drop videos, and help me also gives it a thumbs up so that others can also come across it. Thank you very much and God bless you.